Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. This is Arvind from Merit Pros. Let's get started.
We are going to see about next big thing, the master of the Maven. So this is going to be God of Maven. We call it as a POM. So what is basically a POM? POM is acronym of Project Object Model. So that's the acronym. So anybody asks what is the abbreviation of POM or acronym of POM, just hit them with Project Object Model. And once we go to the project, we can identify it over here, the first one that we saw. So this is going to be the pom.xml. So this is going to be, or this is the thing that's going to run your Maven. So you need to be more focused on your POM and more organized in your POM in order to run your Maven. So if there is any small mistakes in your POM, your entire project might be collapsed and you need to restructure it again. Okay, so your POM is going to be something like a manual, or it's going to be a trigger that's going to run your project. Okay, so Maven, so as I said, Maven will read the pom.xml and execute the goals. So goals are like, say, different things. Maybe to quickly check you upon the goals, like what are goals actually. So goals, we define it as different types of goals. We have it out. So just I'm briefing it to you, but in detail we'll be seeing in the next sessions and next PPTs. Don't worry about it. Goals is nothing but this will make your Maven project run. To just highlight you the basic goals, like we have clean, build, so sorry about that, build, test, and then we have install, and then we have package. So these are the most frequently used goals. So this again we'll be seeing it in the later sessions or later PPTs. So below are the elements available in your POM. So as you can see, the POM structure. So we have the model version, group ID, artifact ID, version, name and description. So since the name and description we have not mentioned over here, don't worry about it, because in the first slide, maybe let me pick out the slide and just refresh it out for you, like where did the name and package description come. So if you mention your name and description over here, obviously it will come out here, but if you don't give it also, that's fine, not an issue, don't worry about it. So it's going to be useful only for you and your team members and whoever is going to be coming new to your team. Okay, so and also, like, what does a POM do basically? So what is going to be inside your POM? So let me brief you about the structure of your POM. So basically, so the POM structure, so I'm going to give you the basic structure. So it's going to be starting with your project and ending with your project, and in between you're going to give something called your dependencies and close dependencies. Just a basic thing I'm giving it to you, but there are a lot of stuffs over here. Okay, and then you have a build, and inside your build you have a stuff called your plugins, and inside your plugins you have a plugin, and you have close braces for everything. It's a simple XML. Okay, don't forget to close your braces. Okay, and then slash build, simple. Okay, so and then your project is going to end, simple. So this is the structure of your Maven simple project. So to brief you about what are the different things that are available, just this is how these are the things available. As I said you, there is a build, dependencies, license management, issue management, mailing list, modules, organization, packaging, parent, plugin repository, prerequisites. So there are a lot of stuffs available over here. So out of which, whatever I am showing you now, this is going to be from the basis of your Maven. So without this, your Maven cannot be done. So your project should have dependencies, and inside your dependencies, you can have your dependency, and you have your build, plugins, plugin, and then you have the close braces for all the steps. Okay, so this is the main thing about it. Okay, your project structure. So everything will be available. A small, just to give you a hint. So whenever you do control spacebar over here, you get the list of things, and on beside of it, you can see this blue, like say it's yellow color stuff, right? So this will give you a brief explanation of what it is about. Simple, as you can see it, right? Simple things. So this is how it works. Okay, your Maven, and these are the Maven structures.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope the covered topics will help you in your career development and growth. See you in our next video.